It says to place your natural lash. God, it almost went in my eyeball. Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. Been a long time since I've done sort of like some kind of makeup review, or you know, we'll call them makeup review disasters, because it seems like I'm always having a hard time when I buy products and try them. And anyway, y'all know how that is. I was on Instagram. I think it was Instagram. And of course, you always get these ads popping up, and I have fell for a few, I admit, and it's usually lash related. Yeah, I went ahead and fell for this ad. It looked super easy. It took just minutes, but you know how these videos are. I don't know, they just be tricking us. I fell for it. I bought these lashes. These are the Kiss FALSCARA New Way to Lash. Basically, it's an at-home lash tabbing kit. It was super affordable. I ended up seeing the ad on Instagram, but I went to Ulta because that was the only place that had them in stock. Ordered the full kit that comes with the FALSCARA. It comes with the tweezer and a set of wispy lashes. And then I went ahead and ordered volumizing wispy lashes, just, you know, to try two different styles. You guys watched a couple videos ago, I went and got my eyelashes done, lash tabbing, basically where they put the lash under your natural lash line so it doesn't show like the lash band where you usually put your lashes. You know, you set them on the top of your eyelash. Lash tabbing is where they put, you know, clusters of lashes under your lashes, and that's what this is. So I'm a little bit worried that, I don't know, that I'm gonna stab my eye out maybe. So let's go ahead and get started. Now these lashes look hella long. I hope you guys can see that. Those look really long. Those are the wispy ones that we're gonna try today. It comes with, like I said, the, what are they calling it? The FALSCARA, and then it comes with the tweezer. Y'all pray for me. Hopefully I'm not blind by the end of this. I do have things I need to do today. It says that the wisps are designed with microband and feather-light fibers to apply easily, seamlessly, comfortable under the natural lashes. Infused with biotin, the bond is non-damaging and primes natural lashes for prep with the wisps. And then you seal it with this nourishing vitamin E seal that removes any tacky residue and locks the wisp in place for all day wear. Now, I was looking this up. I didn't see where it said to take them off. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get these off my eyes at the end of the day. Maybe they'll just fall off, but I'm not sure how long you're able to wear these. It says online daily wear, so I'm assuming that they want you to take these off every night. I don't know if I wanna do all that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. What else does it say on here? Step one is the bonding time. So there is, like I said, the little FALSCARA. It has a side that says bonding, and then the other side is seal. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the bond side. I know that the lash wand in here, or the mascara wand in here, is real small, so that's really good. So it says just to give your natural lash a good coat. Girl, I'm scared. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. We're gonna go ahead and just jump in. I might be even more bald-headed at the end of this, so y'all pray for me because I'm nervous. So it feels just like a mascara. Looks like a mascara. I'm making that ugly mascara face, you guys. I apologize ahead of time, but if you're not making that ugly face, then you ain't doing it right. Okay, so that's on. So it just looks like a little bit of mascara. I mean, my eyelashes are bald-headed anyway. You can't see nothing. Is to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown, and the middle and outer optimal control, blah, blah, blah. It's just telling you how to take the lash off the thing. And gently place underneath the base of your natural lashes. Okay, so, like I said, these are the lashes. And I'm gonna do this side because I'm doing this eye. Okay, so this stuff is sticking to my eyes already. I can feel it. Let me go ahead and get this shit together before I glue my eyes together. God, it's gluing. Okay, so I got the wisp on there. It says to place under your natural lash. Oh my God, it almost went in my eyeball. Maybe I need to put a little more on the outer because I didn't really put a lot on the outside. Oh my God, this is already feeling like a disaster. My eyes are already watering. Jesus, help me. Let's try this again. Okay, this is gonna take some practice, guys, because I'm having a hard time. Okay, oh shit, I got it on. Is it too low? I don't know if it is, because it's staying there if it ain't. Okay, so, okay, one is on. I don't know how pretty that's gonna be, but it's on. It says to place them sort of close together. Oh my God, this is definitely not as easy as the video. Okay guys, this is turning into a disaster. I got my own hair stuck in this. I just dropped a lash. I don't know where it went. It just doesn't want to stick on. Because this other one looks like she's trying to come off. Okay, I got a second one on. So far they're looking pretty, but I don't know. Okay, let's try this other one. Okay, that one went on there a lot easier. So far they're looking pretty. They're not too long. It's just giving my eyelash a little more volume, so I'm not so bald-headed. There's two more left on this row, which this might be the last one because I have really small eyes. So they're all on, you can see. Don't mind my eye watering because, you know, she's juicy. It says you can go ahead and squeeze the lashes and your lashes together. Oh God, it's stuck. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not, don't do that. So that is the lash. Comfortable, I don't feel it on my eyelid. Yeah, so it's just like lash tabbing. Let me clean up this mess I made on the top of my eye though. Hold on one second. So this is definitely gonna take a little bit of practice to do the seal. So that's on this side. And this is just a little clear brush. So we're gonna go ahead and just brush that on. I can feel it sort of eating through that bond because some of my eyelashes are stuck together. That is on. So I really think that that is pretty. It looks like I got my lashes done, but I didn't. I did it myself and I'm sort of proud even though it was a bit of a mess. So can you guys see the difference? You look down so you guys can see as I try to clean up this mess that I made on my face. Definitely take some practice because that was a little bit of a struggle there. I'm not gonna lie at first. So I probably could customize that last one and cut it in half and put it even closer, but we're not doing all that because I'm just excited that I got these on and they feel pretty secure. If you guys wanna see sort of ugly, but it's not very pretty up under there, but that's what it looks like. So it sits under the lash line. And yeah, pretty comfortable. That took probably about 10 minutes. Definitely it's gonna take some practice. I'm sure if I practice more, I can get those on pretty quick. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is do the other side and just sort of, you know, work through it. And then we'll come back with the final results. Okay, we're doing the bond first. Say to start from the outer corner and work your way in if I didn't mention that. Hopefully easier than the last time. Go ahead and put the seal on there. Hey guys, so I went ahead and finished putting on the other side and I am really sort of impressed. They really look like I got my lashes done, you know, at a professional place. So these are really, really just sort of wispy, natural. Like I said, I got these other more dramatic ones, but I think I might go ahead and order some more. It does say that these are reusable, definitely customizable, because I cut a piece to fit in this side. The next time I probably will go ahead and try to put a little piece on the inner corner so they're even. Say that these are reusable, removable by using makeup removers. So we'll go ahead and take them off this evening and see how that goes. It does say that you can clean them using alcohol to get the bonding off so you can reuse them. And they do feel really durable. They almost feel like a plastic, not like a hair, if that makes any sense. So they definitely should be able to be cleaned and reused. I'm excited. It worked out. I mean, it took a little bit of time to get there, but it worked out. I definitely feel like the more I use these, the quicker they'll go on. Anyway, if you guys have seen these, comment below. Let me know if you've tried these before. Definitely, I think a good investment. Not very expensive at all. Reusable. I ain't got any complaints, guys. Anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Okay guys, here I am just taking these off at the end of the day. I wore them, they didn't move, super comfortable, and all I'm doing is just putting a little bit of makeup remover on there with a Q-tip, and you can see how easily they just peel right off, and they weren't damaged. I was able to go ahead and put them back in the package for the next use.